Hello everyone, this is the installation video for the Poetic Revolution series case. After taking out the case, please make sure to peel off the plastic film on both sides of the front frame. Separate the two-piece case from the bottom right corner. Please wipe the screen clean before installation. Do not put the phone directly into the back case. Now, let's peel off the fingerprint stamp carefully. Avoid touching the fingerprint area. Avoid any dusts. Snap the phone into the front frame. Press the fingerprint recognition area with your thumb several times until the sticker is entirely and securely attached to the screen. Enclose the front frame into the back case. Make sure buttons are lined up and edges are sealed with the front frame. Reset Fingerprint ID to make sure your phone recognizes your fingerprint with the screen protector on. Now the installation is complete. Enjoy the Poetic case.